Then I your own tomorrow, be my own. Oh my God, this time I time, say my time don't come. This life we dey see, so now come by come. I come by come. Then I your own tomorrow, be my own. That's what this time I time, say my time don't come. Hey, my brother, and I come by come. It's a good boyfriend, Casey, and that's why I'm a preach. Oh my gosh, listen up, hey. Oh, but you could come back when that time comes. Oh, I would summer. You can fly overseas to enjoy summer, and if you like, you can buy Rolls Royce. Oh, but you could come back when that time comes. Oh, I would summer. You can fly overseas to enjoy summer. Believe in yourself and believe in God. Oh, come on, come by turn. Then I your own tomorrow, be my own. Now my time, say my time don't come. This life we dey see, so now turn by turn.
Not turn by turn. Today now my own, tomorrow will be your own. No, wrong. Tomorrow.
Nah, singing ministry, I want your ministry.
Tomorrow be your own. No, tomorrow be my own. Today will be your own. But I prefer to say better time is what to do. I want today to be my own. Tomorrow, if tomorrow like when tomorrow come, we shall know who wants tomorrow.
Who gets tomorrow?
So when that one fits, they thought that one no.
I'm gonna welcome and I know so we're not falling again anytime we show for your TV screen. Now we be this the men them with the concern you every HHM things we concern babies and bubbles them on top the levels. And you know say this show make it for no last time we they call Bobos Yan and we don't the same relationship since 2014.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when I go notice when I never see Showman for some few days, now we just relieve I'm small because in the under the weather small. Now we can me just go sit down for
Don't depend things under which weather. Showman when she want a Jebu woman for that Ikota shopping complex. Jebu woman where husband don't put something. That's all. Showman touch the woman.
Hey.
He can't run. If you say they run, go ask you. Oh, boy, na crazy so.
Showman call me tell me say the under weather.
Under weather, come. Continue.
So Showman should know when Jebu buy a mechanic.
He can't run. Say they go ask. He say they run, go ask you. You know say run pass house.
Hey!
Pass Ekpe.
Hey! They head towards me, eh?
As I tell you so. Foreign, then they tire. Oh, different thing. Say under weather. Under duvet. Weather call.
Chimo.
I better talk better thing here.
Oh man.
You say we disappoint me. So you don't even confirm. You don't even confirm.
My brother. It's good to trust your friends.
On Thursday evening, we just come out from club. We dey pass. The woman they say something. Big. Oh boy, no that crazy.
You said no pursue we can.
Pursue. I be at home. No say they get some fight. We know they separate. We know they separate. Where people walk cutlass.
Yes. I'm gonna see my man Chakra.
Yes.
Why I say?
I did. We don't come. We don't come.
We don't show.
My body dey hot. I want.
Yeah. More talk. No worry. We don't see the gentleman with inside bar with us today. This one are one of our sploofik fan. This one are very, very own person too. Where we say come here today, come follow us, do the things. In name na Feyintola, aka MC Dutch. And in job says now to the firelight anywhere. Anywhere you get things to do, you get the fire up the light anytime, any day.
Meanwhile, this guy
Shakara.
Before we come sit down, when we price suya, we will take chop drink. He come tell me say, guys, the terror say resemble Joe. Please, Mona help me look am, look in Chris well. Then when they answer our question next time, you write under say that our guest, like on whether to resemble Joe or not. So, now, you know, see in pink lips, this one is the one with a scrape for a cage on that beach.
Shakara. You know what they call Abinibi? This one Abinibi, no be ability. This one Abinibi, no be this one Abinibi, no be computer village. This one Abinibi, now from above. So Shakara above. If you no one run past Kogi, now Showman dey already. If you no one pass Kogi, face Gwagwalada, they go. Shakara.
Joe.
Ugo, one name.
Hey.
One this man before I clear your dad. Sorry. Wo, in lu any nkan. In buy any nkan.
You don't do. Sorry, you don't vex.
So no vex.
Sorry. Calm down.
I don't forget say Yoruba people that they go exchange their wedding ring to another ring. The way they take slap person. Not be every Yoruba man wey wear wedding ring be married man no. For those of now when they find trouble for Lagos, you just see man wear suit for Lagos, wear wedding ring. You come to say a gentleman. Don't be up in wedding ring go some na knock and fall. If they slap you, you go begin find wetin you no lost. Wo, bother me.
Oh, na me
Aluwo. That's what they call aluwo.
Abeg, mo enter the very, very matter we'll talk about today. Yes, abeg, I carry just this simple matter come. Say, make we talk about abeg, it just very simple. You dey for house. If I don't talk this matter, make shabali enter our social media portals, make you dey follow the yarn on top. Waiting you think, say this matter. They all about your opinion about the matter. You go fit date your brother, your blood brother, ex-girlfriend. You go fit date him. Then at the matter I want more deliberate on top inside this bar today because we know say some situations they happen where we say some brothers they love up with their brothers' ex-boyfriends or some sisters they love up with their sisters' ex-boyfriends.
Ugo. Leko.
Yes.
You know the reason why I bring my voice down? I know say you don't marry.
Yes.
But before you marry, you don't run things before.
Plenty.
You understand?
God.
So, but all things are possible. Even if your wife watch this thing, we are talking about
the
those days.
See, let me tell you something.
understand?
My wife know me because it is always good to let her know your past.
Thank you.
She know me from page to page, from board to board, from introduction to forward, to chapter 1 to the end. She sabi me.
Okay, very good.
So, and she knows say I run things.
So
things
like
no wrong
when you
I
dey
no
even
run
run the things, you date your brother ex-girlfriend, or you even crank any like okay, maybe even say your friend ex-girlfriend, your brother ex-girlfriend, you crank anyone pertaining to that level.
Well, I help one, Sha. I help one.
Okay, you may need.
But, see, then it's always good to assist. It's always good to assist. When you see someone that is in need, that needs urgent attention.
But wait, one quick question. Oh. If you speak English for this by again, I'll call bounce and come for you.
Yes, boss.
And now
Sorry,
because now people, you know why now people when they tell us say look like Joe.
Okay, you know what? You see, if you see some people who need urgent assistance, where they go say with immediate alacrity, critically attend to this innuendo.
That time people when they did this kind of problem of their guy travel and rain come fall like 3 days rain and they just there nobody there around.
And that thing come stand like this, come, you know.
So
and you can't want go borrow iron.
So in those days,
now iron you won't go borrow. Say I beg, sister Omo, let me use your iron to iron my school uniform. So as you go collect iron, now you iron all you for ground.
You can't give her your own iron.
give her your own iron. But really, and I feel say for me, I know if you do am. Why? My reason.
You know if you do am or you never do am before.
I know if
I go tell you something.
I never do am before. No, wait. See, Shakara, I never do am before.
Get a way of getting away with things.
No.
I won't make you help me today.
No, Shakara, calm down.
Answer the question straight.
Down.
See, before we continue.
Calm down.
I
never do am before. My brother ex-girlfriend.
What of your friend ex-girlfriend?
My friend ex-girlfriend. Hey, Jehovah.
We know they talk brother now. We they talk
my friend ex-girlfriend. Basically, I don't crank like 2.
Okay, 2. What about this is out of our topic? What about your friend girlfriend when
presently where they still date?
Not be now. Then they still date. Never. I don't do anything like that. No. I don't do anything like that. No, the one I do. I don't say there be no serious. You understand? I will see the girl with another guy.
Okay.
I go see the girl, they carry another. You understand? So there was no commitment. So I can't
say the girl not even they committed to this guy.
This on a serious relationship. Let me just do something on serious in between.
So you decided to...
You go help the unserious.
For tennis, anything you serve with backhand.
You know, feel say that thing they bring issues between brothers or between sisters. Say, okay, I know they date this. Okay, for instance, Shakara, for example, now you date Yvonne Nelson, or let's say you date Juliet Ibrahim.
Then say my junior brother, no go make me beat my junior brother for house. This example you give, if I date Juliet Ibrahim, my junior brother try he die. I feel go beat him for house. Now say if they think I'm in die you. Better use another name. Just call one name, one Monique Veronica.
Okay. Let's say for instance now you date that Mo say this chick will they follow up for office Sam. That babe will be very endowed. Praise.
Okay.
Say you date Praise now. So now you know they date Praise again. You can't find out.
Praise sexy. He go still cost from for a house.
Jesus.
Use person like example we go use like white MC. I know go vex. Every date white MC.
You need somebody like white MC. When I can't break up, you can't find out and say your brother. Constant after like few months, one I don't break up. You can't find out say your brother the crack.
I don't go vex. No problem. Make
No go
continue.
vex.
Even if like day after, as far as white MC, no problem.
See, I want to say something. No, I want to say something. You see that time when me say they do the old package. Now old things. Now we be say I don't put ringer for woman hand. Old things are passed away, and all things God don't knew the old things. Do you understand? What I want to talk be say, as a man, where you get babe, you can't break up with the babe. The babe can't day. And you, Shakara, will be my friend. You know, say me, I don't break up with this babe. And if you be saying now that babe, the reason why the thing don't work for me and the babe, be say she no be my Eve.
Okay.
And the babe fit can't be your own Eve. So you get this now. So therefore, you fit carry on with the babe based on say now your own Eve.
But remember saying our brother so blood day.
You see that brother man.
You know what?
No,
make we rush. Wait, make we not even drop all. Make we not bring out all the cards from the bag yet. Make we rush go do a go for street. When we come back, we go see they talk the matter. They go not go anywhere and I say BOBOS here. We they come back.
No, I no fit.
No.
It's an abomination.
No, I no go fit. I no go fit at all. I don't go fit.
No. It's not possible. It's not possible. I can't do that. How the relationship, somebody I'm seeing before with my brother, it's not. I can't do that. I can't do it. It's not possible for me to do it.
Sleeping with your brother's girlfriend or your wife is wrong. Ex-girlfriend is a bad thing. So if you do like that, it's no good. Or say if you die, your brother no day, he die. Or if you do, I will not say you replace. But for now, when they are alive, it's no good. It's a sin.
The babe self, Stevie.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now say BOBOS here with you on top Wazobia TV. And the matter what they talk about today, now say you go fit date your brother ex-girlfriend or you go fit date your sister ex-boyfriend. Now, guys, I want me to look at them like this. Agreed, we know say love at times and say they're very stupid.
They're very
but
blind.
Blood ties, they're very, 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 very important. For me, I look and say, as una date so now, una be my paddies. It's not go possible for me to date your ex-girlfriend. Because you know why? I get ties with you. So how it go be if you dey around me and the girl self dey? How we go take be? Show you the film me. Maybe we go hang out and all that. Now talk of your own blood brother.
Okay.
Say you go they date your brother ex-girlfriend. I go believe say that kind of chick free bring serious issue between the brothers them.
Yeah.
Okay, me, no way I want look at from. I want borrow this guy who will say once you don't leave, let me say my brother been the data. That is in the past. Old things have passed away. And now we don't come here, things don't become new. The only thing if he make me visit my old things, except the renovator. You know? But if it's
still they hold, never renovator.
Sorry, I don't mean.
You're not serious matter.
The thing that people understand. So if my brother be the date girl before, then now the way they get, there may be more commitment and everything. I go allow my brother understand the reason why I want to take this guy as wife. Understand? It go depend on you to break him down. You need to talk to your brother. If he did the same page with you, if you understand your point, then
what
then
if the situation where the girl and your brother take break up, they very, very disastrous?
Yes.
Okay.
Serious fight.
You know what?
Serious big
See.
heavy.
Like where I come from, make I tell you this, where I come from, I be confirmed Yoruba man. See, Yorubas go say, thing wey no good, it no good.
Speak out for Yoruba. Now as
Ohun tí ò dá kò dá. Ohun tí ò dá kò dá kò lórúkọ méjì. So thing wey no good, it no good. You no get two name.
Okay.
So see, wait, make I land before you crucify me. So see, as it dey like this, if you be my brother, you can't break up with your babe. That babe can't they do me to say, okay, now this babe, I won't die there. Guy, it is not good. Simply because you don't chop for that place.
Okay.
And in some places for Yoruba land, an abomination. Where you don't put your innuendo. Me say go come put my innuendo.
Okay. I just want to ask one direct question. Do you believe in destiny?
Of course, yes.
You believe in destiny. Do you know that people that are destined to be, say, no matter if you like, make the round one, make the kind of go through for America. Make the round one, they go hide up for
They go still jam.
for Calabar. They go still, that is destiny.
True.
What if that girl and my junior brother, or me, we be say now, let me say my junior brother now, the girl I don't date before, they are destined to be. Can I stop it?
Well, no, you can't. Well, another thing, for this matter, person have to be very, very flexible. Do you understand? If you be my blood brother now, you go make me realize, yeah, my brother, see this thing. Without this woman in my life, I no go fit be anybody.
Yes, that's what I was saying.
I no go fit be anybody.
Okay,
so on that note,
I always want to make we look at the other side. What if the brother where you get, now him be like, maybe let's say your breadwinner, he dey pay your school fees. Now him they arrange things for you. You just leave university, you never get work. Now the guy house you they stay. So many things they happen. The guy can give you ultimatum. Say, guy, this babe no go work. There are issues aligned with it. How you go?
Now you go fasten your seatbelt now. Now you go buckle up. You go if you want to do that kind of thing. Now you go waka now. Then you have to be a man before you can say yes. I want to do this kind of a thing.
Very good, very well. Let me just
you have to leave your brother's house and move on.
Story very short. This guy in the date one get the guy they do medicine. The guy Congo they do medicine for Ukraine. Get admission there. You understand? So and that girl a very nice girl in Suez and that guy must marry. Along the line, we let him there for Nigeria here. He can go program for Abuja na journalist in be. He can meet one girl again. Nice girl. You understand? Nice girl, but in get baby. And the babe done the round up for Ukraine to come back. Now you contact this girl say, you too nice for you to far from my family, from you. You be good girl, but I don't get where I go marry. He can't connect, him by himself, connect the girl to his brother, but na cousin. Okay. Do you understand? But not be the same man, but na cousin. The same papa way born their parents. You understand? Cousin. They come and they come there with relationship.
He connect his own ex-girlfriend.
Yes.
Where they Ukraine?
No, he girlfriend in Ukraine. This one we meet for Nigeria. I mean, where they
and he don't crank the girl.
He connect that one.
Now.
And he don't connect am to his cousin.
See, because he's a nice girl.
And he don't crank the girl.
He don't crank now. You understand?
I mean, we'll do this opinion. When we come back, we go analyze this story when they come back.
No, I no fit. No, never. At all. That's, to me, that one day impossible.
My sister ex-boyfriend. It's not possible now. Can I date my sister ex-boyfriend? I no fit.
Why me go date my sister ex-boyfriend is impossible though. I no fit for anything.
I can't do it. No, it will look like I won't take talk and serve. You go be like say they stab am for back. I no fit even dey comfortable self. If I won't go present and go as like husband, I go be like person wey my sister don't date. You no go dey okay. The family said they no go look me with better eyes.
Yes. Small matter everywhere. Our women them guys talk on top this matter. No be small matter.
Me, I still believe say you know some of them they say they don't feel. I still believe say if to say we waka well, if to say no be say we no get too much time to waka for streets. To ask, it give you go waka.
You go see one person. We go see I fit.
Okay, truly.
See, make I tell you one thing. This one are true life, confirmation. You get one babe where we see I don't crank where. That time we still day school. Now my paddy just find me come. If I me and the paddy say nah sick, and them sick baby. My paddy just find me come. Oh boy, who be this babe? I like this babe. How far the matana make I reason the babe now? I say, oh boy, okay, reason the babe. But I not tell the guy anything. Say okay, package don't day between me and I don't crank because of say me. I be that time that they call me Ojalato. I did ja anything, you know. I did Jalato. You know, then for school, you go just there. Jalawa. So today we are they follow you talk. As I connect the two of them together, I lean back. I no do any form of cranking or phone call or anything. I lean back. The two of them they run their matter. As I they follow you talk today, they are churchly married, legally married,
traditionally
societal married, traditionally married, communal married, and they don't born to. And they reason their life they go.
That's what I was telling you.
And now they are those ones are destined to be together.
You know I like your true life situation because when I talk some things here, I say things where they happen for this country. Many people don't know.
Many people don't know, my brother.
That's why I take my time to travel. Far away. At times when I travel, like when I went to Kuala Lumpur. When I went to Kuala Lumpur.
And you brought Bobby.
Yes,
you went to
Bobby has gone back.
Yes, but you came back with Bobby when you went to
Bobby
Kuala
has gone back, you know, and everything. Before you retweet, this is outside our gist. I want to categorically and officially say to all Chelsea fans, including Ugo that is in here with me, that Arsenal we are now above you people. Because if you say you win Premiership and win FA Cup, then that's okay. You champion of Premiership, champion of FA Cup. Oh yeah, come and meet. Let's know the real champion. And then the two of us meet. You could not play ball. You could not even kick ball.
So what are we talking about?
And then we won. That means all Arsenal fans up Arsenal
for life. For
that's
life.
it. Rest in peace.
Poyaka.
Pilot,
we gun them
moderator,
down.
hope you are not too weak to continue. Your eyes, are they too open to see?
We can switch, oh.
Or bring it, let me help you. Just give me the computer,
you know,
let me help
we
you.
have to gun them down. We gun them down.
Talk say, impossible, I no go fit do that kind thing. And Casey Stephanie open her mouth, talk, say, it no possible. How they want to look me for house? Capital, no. Now so she take down. Then Lucky come and talk, say, it depends on the understanding between the two brothers them. Also the sisters. Say how they take handle the issue. Now in matter pass. But if not there, in find true love, nothing bad inside. Then I waiting then talk. In one sentence, Lekon, you go fit.
In one sentence, I go fit because no one knows destiny, and no one knows.
Chaka,
easy for us to say. You don't get your own. I don't get your wife. Easy for us to say you go fit. Now who will never get? Now it's in day one kind. It's very dicey. I fitting fit. I fitting fit. Oh.
I will just tell you, say for me though, I no go fit. I no go lie, I no go fit. But basically, to you out there, if now there you find solace, we be saying now there you find real love, now there you find true love. Just try rub minds with your brother or your sister, make you see as they go. Even if your family stand up, say, no be so, but you feel say now there, you need to put your eggs. Do the right thing and make sure say you're happy. Until another day, good night.
Hey!
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done it.